Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can register for Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program as an OCI. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, Indian government has launched this Fast Track Immigration process at 13 major airports. You can see the list flashing over here. The most important one is Delhi, okay, my favorite location. And the national capital. So how it works, like you, of course, like you need to register, you need to authenticate yourself with mobile and OTP and email registration. And then you need to apply. In order to apply, you need to send them this filled up PDF form. I have just opened. Oh, ah, what I get. Okay, apply. Okay, we'll go through that form once we get in. Okay. So we need to provide valid email ID, phone number for FTI-TTP, Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program. And what you need, scan copy of passport. Okay. OCI card address proof in PDF format. As an OCI, definitely you need to provide OCI. Okay. And the size limitation is also given. For minor, there are additional rules like if you are less than 7 years old, not allowed. 7 to 18, parent guardian details can be used. Okay. And if your passport that is registered under this program is lost, stolen, you need to apply again with the new passport. Okay. Your biometric needs to be captured. You can do at a designated airport, or you can also go for like a FRRO office. Okay. So yeah, Delhi is my favorite location, no doubt. But I have another favorite location too in India, but I don't see that listed here. Maybe because small town guy, whatever. Anyway, let's sign up. So first is the email ID, password and code. This is to log in, but when you're coming to sign up, click on sign up. And you need to have some patience. Email ID and code, send OTP. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay, so what happened, like after I did the previous step, I got a code in the email that I had put in. Now I'm also setting up the password. Okay, I can click on create account. Of course, you need to follow the password policy. Okay, perfect. So now I can log in. Okay, so use the email account password and this captcha code and log in. So I'm going to log in and then I'm going to see you guys. After you log in, the next step is to verify the mobile number. So ISD code. Okay, and then you have to enter your mobile number here, put the code and click on send OTP. And so I'm going to do this and then I'm going to, okay guys, so what happens, like it sends you a code on your mobile too, and then you can come here on your main page, click on apply online. Nationality. If you are issued a new passport, OCI card issued in the old press power, you are requested to link the new passport through the online portal before applying. Okay, fine. So what are things you're gonna do? Given name, surname, date of birth, place of birth, gender, nationality, passport details, OCI card number, issue date, and father's name, mother's name, any other passport. So if you hold, definitely provide details. If to know, then just do it. Your residential address as mentioned in passport. Now, is the same mentioned in passport? I select yes. Is your current address same as mentioned in passport? Wow. Now Please select present residence country. I can select Canada. Now, certain issues may come. That let me check if that I can bypass. So, good thing is text field. Now, this is just sample, guys. Because here it's, oh, fine. I was worrying that if they put the validation of PIN code only numeric digit, Canadian will not be accepted. Okay. All right. Select country. So I got it populated. Perfect. House number, reference, address in India. Okay, yeah. So relatives, education qualification, occupation details. Have you refused entry? I select no. Have you been arrested, prosecuted? Asylum declaration you need to do. And then you can click on save and continue. So then in the next page, it's going to be declaration. And it will also ask you to upload a document. Like what's going to happen, like you remember on the first page we had gone through passport, photograph, and OCI. Those things you need to upload over there. Okay, and then it will ask you to enroll for biometric, and that you can do it. I mean, after the application submitted, this will become active, and there you can enroll for biometric. So this is the process, guys, and let me see if I can take you to the next stage too. I'm going to quickly put some sample information and then I'm going to see you in the next screen. I've come back over here. So it's coming under incomplete application because in the next page, it was asking me to confirm the details. I really did not want to do that, like file a sample application. So that's how it is, guys. Now the next is going to be like after you submit, you can generate the QR code for biometric enrollment that you need to schedule an appointment with the, it was given on the home page how to do at either an FRRO office or also at a designated airport. And then you need to upload your document and other things that they had asked. So in this way, once processed, you'll be all good to go. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.